Hi friends, Suzanne here with a new mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House. I started this one-day local retreat back in 2019 and was finally able to open registrations for this fall of 2021, with more planned for the new year. So if you're local, I'd love to have you join in. Registrations will be on my blog, sunstampin.com. I asked a friend and fellow demonstrator, Terry, from carddesignsbyterry.com to help me with the event. We split the work, the costs, and brought together our local crafters for a first-class event. In this series, I'm sharing a dozen card designs we created for the make and takes at the event. Fair warning, some products are from the last celebration, so if you are looking to recreate, you may have to substitute. Hey friends, here we are at card number 4 of the 12-part series. I am pointing out to you a embossed piece of crumb cake. It's very cool. It is called Wintry 3D. You're going to find that on page 155 of the annual catalog. These embossing folders are small enough to fit into the mini embossing machine that Stampin' Up sells. So they're very skinny suckers. So we had to run this through the emboss machine twice. So hopefully that all makes sense. That is a very vanilla card base. This happens to be a Peaceful Print Celebration Designer Series paper. I'm creasing it, folding it in half, kind of, just sort of, piercing the end there. And then I go from corner to top of cut. I'm going to do it again here with the Bedazzling Specialty Designer Series paper, folding it in half, sort of creasing that half, then going up with my scissors and cutting to as far as I need to, then going from corner to top of cut, and then corner to top of cut to create a banner. And both of these papers are no longer with us, but I'm sure if you wanted to recreate this design, all you would have to use is another wintry type paper here, or it could be another plaid, and this could be another glitter paper. Every banner that I've ever put on a card, I've always flipped up with the ends with my bone folder. And then here we're moving on to creating the sentiment. So the sentiment is from Poinsettia Petals, and I'm stamping that in real red. And then I guess these are twigs, and they come from Christmas season. Yeah, they're twigs. And these little sprigs stamped down. And then here's the pine cone. First pine cone shape is stamped with crumb cake, and then soft suede for the second and the final two-step stamping procedure. But boy, does it ever look cool when you put them together. Yeah, they make perfect pine cones. We have a lot of coniferous trees here in Canada, as well as deciduous, but the coniferous ones are mainly where I'm at in British Columbia. We have a lot of them, and those look like pine cones. All right, I put dimensional adhesive on the back and folded my card base, and that is pretty much the card. Of course, you're going to be able to see all the supplies that I used in the description box below, as well as on my blog. So thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.